Is it worth it? That's what we're here to check out today for some buyers who could not make it, but we're gonna go take a look at this thing and see if it works for them. This is also in Newmarket. It is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1,961 square feet. They are asking $549,000 and it's been on the market for 2 weeks. Let's go see, is it worth it? All right, so roof looks to be in really good shape. Siding's in good shape. There is no basement here, which is why those vents are down there. All our snow is finally starting to melt. Thank goodness. And crawl space access right there. HVAC and that deck. Good sized yard. Mostly fenced in. Oh goodness, I almost fell. Oh, and I did fall. All right, so we're not going to continue through the backyard anymore because I've now fallen twice. Hey, it's really cold out here. If you don't hit that like button, I might freeze. Thanks. All right, coming in from the front door. To the right are the bedrooms. Bedroom 1. Full bathroom just across the hall. Tub shower. Bedroom number 2. And the master. And the master bath. Tub shower as well with tile surround. And it opens up into what I'm assuming used to be a bedroom, but this is a giant walk-in closet in here. This is really nice. Fairly deep too. I'd be willing to bet this used to be a bedroom. And then it walks out to the deck and the backyard. We'll go take a look out there in a minute. Let's take a look at the rest of the house. It is really cold out here. If you would hit that like button, it would sure warm me up. Taking a look at the rest of the main level. Living room. It's a half bath there in front of us. And a garage access. Pantry or cook closet? Cook closet, good. And kitchen. And laundry. I love your master bedroom closet. That is beautiful. I can't show that to my wife. And
I love my kitchen.
say this island's about as big as a continent. I like it. I'm assuming you cook a lot.
I do.
Nice cabinets, nice counters. And my phone won't stop ringing. And dining space. And family room. And more walkout out back. Nice deck, runs mostly the length of the back of the house.